Okay, so next guys is still, fill in the blanks question. So ganyan sa exam 'no, hindi lang isang beses mo mami-meet yung mga, iba't ibang klase ng type ng question, okay? So yeah, so puwedeng isa, dalawa, apat, lalo na yung ibang may mga graphs na, nakikita natin sa mga comments na hanggang 8 klaseng graphs but, luckily yung graph is hindi siya gano'n kahirap talagang sagutan, okay? So puwedeng diyan kayo bumawi. And kung gusto niyong mapanood yung mga videos natin about how to answer graph, question easily, naka-playlist na po yan sa YouTube natin. Hanapin niyo lang po and yeah, pag-aralan niyong mabuti at, sinisigurado ko sa inyo na malaki yung maitutulong niyan sa inyo, katulad ng ibang mga passers natin ngayon, okay? So, yeah, sagutan na natin 'to. Basahin muna natin. So, 지하철 안에서는 다른 사람들에게 방해가 되지 않도록 blank 이야기해야 합니다. Okay? So, 급히, 열심히, 천천히, 조용히. So, as you can see guys, yung mga choices natin is adverbs. Ibig sabihin, yan yung nagsasabi na kung paano mo gagawin yung isang verb, yung isang action, in what manner, how, or kung gaano ka tindi yung level ng adverb, ay yung adjective na na sasabihin mo. Okay? So, yan yung trabaho ng adverb. It modifies an adjective, an adverb, or another adverb. So, yan yung meaning sa English. Di ba? So, tingnan natin. So, 지하철 안에서는, okay? So, 지하철 is subway, and an is inside, and eso is a place marker. Nun. So, bakit may nun dito? So, yung nun is ginagamit na para i-compare yung lugar na 'to sa ibang lugar, okey? So, kung baga sa ibang lugar may mga action na puwede kang gawin na walang problema. But dito, especially inside the subway, okey, 다른 사람들에게. So, 다르다 is to be different or 다른 사람 ibig sabihin is other people. 들 is to make a noun into a plural form. Okey, 사람들, people. 에게, to other people. Okay, to other people and then panghega, tweda. Stop natin ito. So what is panghe guys? Panghe is disturbance, interruptions, mga ah, ano ba, obstruction. Kumbaga, nagiging sagabal ka, nagiging istorbo ka sa ibang tao. Okay? And that is dweda. To become disturbance, to become obstruction, to become interruption to other people. Okay? And G, anta. So as you can see, naka-conjugate siya using G, anta. And ano ba yung ginagawa ng G, anta sa isang sentence? Binabaliktad niya yung meaning. Nagiging kung positive yung meaning isang verb, nagiging negative. Okay? Pang-negate, kumbaga. Okay? So, panghiga-dweda is to become a disturbance, pero pag ginamit ng panghiga-dweji anta is not to become a disturbance. Okay? And turok is, ano ba? Turok is so that. Okay? In a way. Okay? So that not to become a disturbance to other people, especially inside the subway, ano yung gagawin mo? Blank, 이야기해야 Iyagihada is to talk, to have a conversation. Okay? Heyahada, have to. You have to talk, you have to make a conversation. How? In what manner? Kaya adverb yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Is it number one? Kuphi. So, what is kuphi? Kuphada is to be urgent. Okay? So, may ganitong klase guys na dinadagdagan lang natin ng he yung mga verbs natin and nagagawa natin siyang adverb form. And usually mga hada verbs. Okay? So, kuphi is from urgent. So, pag ginamit mo siya as an adverb, it becomes hastily. Okay? In a hurry. Kumbaga, nagmamadali. So, magmamadali ka ba magsalita sa loob ng subway? Para hindi makaistorbo. So, minsan 'pag nagmamadali tayo, parang mas lumalakas pa, 'di ba? So, puwede tayong makasagabal pa rin. So, number one is wrong. Number two, 열심히. What is 열심히? Ito ginagamit natin, 열심히 일하겠습니다. 'Pag self-introduction tayo, 'di ba? 열심히 공부하겠습니다. Okay? So, 열심히 is passionately, diligently. Okay? So, hindi ito. So, even if you talk passionately sometimes, 'di ba, parang hindi mo mapigilan yung sarili mo, mas makakaistorbo ka pa. Number 3, chonchoni. So this one, it can be, but chonchoni is to be slowly, no? Slowly. Pero minsan kahit dahan-dahan ka pa magsalita, malakas pa rin. So, hindi ito yung tamang sagot. And pinakahuli, siyempre, yan yung natitira, yan yung tamang sagot. Chuyonghi, quietly. Okay? So, dapat tahimik lang tayo magsalita. You have to talk quietly inside the subway so that we can avoid to become a interruption to other people. Okay? So answer is number 4.